Hi, welcome to Goccopro UK. I'm Derek, and if you've watched any of my videos before, you'll know that we tend to just let them run and show you the screen printing as we go. There can be some mistakes, there can be some stuff, but we don't want to edit or do anything too fancy. We just like to show you exactly how it is. We're operating a digital screen print system, and I'm always blown away by just how amazing it is, how quick, how it helps production. It's maybe not the answer to every single screen printing job in the world, but it can certainly do an awful lot of things. So what I wanted to do today is I wanted to show you the MiScreen, which I've kind of think is amazing, and so I wanted to show you just how we could print several different jobs in a quick time. I've dropped in my first one, a fit to page. To be honest, I'm going to just increase this up a little bit because it can get right out to the edge of this print template. And there we are, we've got our artwork. Somebody wants a few t-shirts, we hit send to print, and right away the lights flash and away it goes. We take our master and we drop it in with the two lugs and we let it print through. Now what we're going to do here is I'm going to print this t-shirt, then I'm going to drop in a different image, completely different style, and we're going to print through a shopper bag. We're trying to show you how if you're in a production environment, a high street shop that can give decorated product to your customer, just how quick the turnaround is on a machine like this and just how good it is. So there we are, our screen is made, very clean, very friendly, and we've got our image on here. We have already set up a t-shirt, maybe I'm cheating, but we've got our t-shirt set up onto this frame. We tighten down our screen. You could quite easily print off 20, 30, to be honest, even up to 100 of these t-shirts. I'm just using black ink. It will work good on the two different products that we're doing, and it means that I don't need to have a different squeegee to show you different things that are going on. So with our screens, you just do one pull. You don't want to do too much more because otherwise it kills all the detail that's in the screen. We'll lift that up, pop off our t-shirt, and there we have a pretty good biker t-shirt, a nice bit of imagery on there, and away we go. So that's our t-shirt done. We would heat press that or whatever. We would take off our excess ink from our screen, just like so. Once we'd finished our job, and then because our screens are disposable, you just fold them over, take them off, and you put them in the bin. Nice and clean. So we've now made a t-shirt and a wash up, and I've now got my next master for my next customer that's come through the door. We just lay it down onto this double-sided tape. We lay this through. Obviously I'm going to do this super quick. Maybe in a workshop you would just take a little bit longer. Make sure you've got it right. And if you were going to print a lot more t-shirts, you would maybe want to make sure that this master material was well and truly fixed down. Anyway, that's my master material on. I'm going to take a different sort of image now, drop this one in, scale to fit again, and we're going to put this in again. We just hit send image to print. Already my screen's arriving, we're ready to go. I drop that in, and we're now making our second screen. Now that's pretty quick. We've already printed off, maybe you've printed 20 t-shirts, it wouldn't take that long to do that. Maybe you've printed some more, 100. Now we've actually done a change. We've taken off our old screen, it's away. We've not had to do washout booths, we've not had to spend loads of time trying to recover a screen. We've had good detail. You'll see this image, very fine lines and detail. What you see on this screen is actually what you get. here's our design laid out. It's a sketch of a distillery. Let me just make sure I'm doing this the right way round, so I don't make too many muck up. Put that down. We now take a shopper bag, which this new customer is wanting to have, drop it onto our exact same print palette. We lay it down. Once again, a little bit of plastisol onto the screen. We grab our squeegee. As I said, we could have had a change of colour. All I would have taken the ink off my squeegee, put it back in the tub, and I'd be ready to go with another one. One pull. And now we've printed a bag. So we print 20, 30, 100 bags for this guy, and we've done 2 jobs in no time at all. That's how easy it is with a Goccopro machinery. The MiScreen makes very light work of that as well. I hope you've enjoyed it, and you've seen how quickly things can be done with digital screen making. Thanks very much for watching.